Hi, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. Today, I will talk about the theme of information sharing. I share the valuable experiences I attained at Ise Shrine with people from all over the world. People seeking for information will gather and share even more information, learn, and continue growing. I believe this synergy is the real beauty of sharing information. However, when sharing information, some people remark the value of Japanese woodworking will go down. People who will come to Japan to learn will decrease. But these are needless fears. People gain even deeper interest by attaining information, and it increases the desire to learn more. When gathering information through books or videos, have you ever experienced becoming clearly aware of the information you lack? The more the amount of information increases, the more information meant for the broad community is not enough. We realize the best way to learn is by watching with our very own eyes and to actually experience it. We know from instinct that seeing is believing, especially now in a world overfilling with information. We seek information pinpointed at ourselves. In a time where individuals can easily share information, the world is flooded with information. Why don't you start from generously sharing information? Keeping information a secret is an old way of thinking. If you share all the information, interesting information from all over the world will gather to you. You should be able to naturally see what people have an interest in and what they are seeking. The thing you like, the thing you are good at, what people are seeking for. When all these three meet, a new service is born, and the interesting world in front of us widens. That was today's story. I hold a Japanese woodworking school where you can study in English. At this school, you can learn how to adjust tools and how to use them by making a joinery. Please look at my bio if you like. I look forward to sharing the wonderful woodworking with you. Have a good day. See you.